Good everybody, this is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to use your beach cap for fascinator. You need your cap, your beach cap. You need your straw, pipe. Those are the accessories. Your rose flower, your bias, gum, rubber band or Alice band, your needle and thread, and scissors. You take your arts, that your beach cap that you have, then you get your blade. You have to remove it gently from down. Remove the thread gently with your blade. Now the two are separate. This is the brim, this is the top. What we are going to do now is that we are going to reduce the size of this head. Depends on what you want. You reduce it to your own side. And this is the size I'm going to use to cover it back. Then what we do now is that you take your scissors, you cut it like you are cutting art. When you are making your design for art, see, I'm cutting it in order for the cap to be able to enter it. But don't let it be too much. You cut it small. That's how you cut it round. You have removed the edge from the brim. Then what you do is take your gum machine, put your wax candle and turn it. Put your gum around this space. Your wax candle around the tip of the immediately you put it round. You are going to put your cap from inside. See, you put your cap from inside, then you gum. See the way I'm gumming it. You can see I've gummed the edge with the brim back. This is the inside and this is outside. Now we are going to design it. We are going to design it now. Take your pipe, rubber, then your rose. What I'm going to use this one to do is to do band. Round it. Then you take your gum where you join together, put ugum round it. Round the joining. You can use your wax candle to do it. Then take the pipe and round it. You can give it your own design. Then say I've wrapped the joining with the pipe. Then you take your rose, gum it with it. You can see it. Then inside you put your bias, round it, and your Alice band. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe.